In this video, I'll be showing you how to add email account to Outlook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Outlook on, whether you're on a PC, Mac, or anything like that as well. So all you want to do is open up your Outlook application. Now, this works whether you're signed into something already or you want to, go ahead and log into something completely new and you're not already logged in. So all you want to do is find this add account option, which is going to be on the bottom left. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is type in the email address. And then once you do it, you're going to be able to sign into it and add that email account. If you want to as well, you can make a new one. It says create an outlook.com email account. So you can even make one if you want to. It's going to open up this new web page and you're going to be able to do this too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet. But anyways, thank you for watching.